So this is the week after we went like a week or two, almost 3 weeks without really buying a lot of groceries. So I had to stock up on a lot of things like condiments and just like your kitchen staples. And I'm thinking I'm gonna just do like one big shopping like week and then live off of that for like 3 weeks, and then just buy like little like things in between, like juice and milk, things like that in between, but just really go grocery shopping once a month, and just really make it stretch. So let me show you all what we got. So I got some coconut milk. I'm gonna be making some curries with this, and also like some soups. Instead of olive oil, I tried the grapeseed oil. I got the General Tso stir fry because I haven't tried it and I really like saucy type stuff. I'm gonna probably make like some veggie bowl, like with rice and vegetables and some type of protein. And then I got some coconut aminos. My first time trying this. I usually get soy sauce for something that I make for Chris every day before he goes to work, but I'm gonna try this. It had less sodium, so I'm gonna see how this is. Got some barbecue sauce, ketchup, because anytime I freaking make vegetables, Madison wants ketchup on it and she'll eat it, even broccoli, all that. Hellmann's has this vegan mayo and it's in a pretty big container. It's like $3. So I'm gonna try this out because I'm a mayo person. I don't know, it's weird, I know. Got some chicken stock for something I'm making for Chris tomorrow, his day off, and then also some veggie stock. I got some lemons because I want to drink more lemon water, especially warm lemon water. And I got pita bread to do like tofu scrambles and make like a little, split it in half, make little sandwiches. I was doing wraps, but I figured half of this will fill me up, and it's also less calories, less sodium, less carbs than a wrap, like a tortilla. Got this because I am a cereal freaking snacker. I love snacking. I bought these because we can put them in our smoothies, and I can make some of that nice cream, like that vegan ice cream that I really like because I like sweets. Got this to also make warm lemon ginger water or like ginger tea, and to also put it in smoothies. I can use these in my curries, make soups with these red lentils. I really love these. Add these to wraps or salads. And then I got this little person. Alright, so it looks like a lot of stuff. It kind of is. I definitely got some vegetables. I'm going to be making a lot more salads. And like I said, like Buddha bowls. So I got a lot of those. I got 2 things of broccoli for Chris and Madison because I am not a broccoli person. Got some taco seasoning. Maybe like make some taco bowls. I got a lot of other spices. Cinnamon, paprika, sea salt. I mean not sea salt. Steak seasoning and red pepper flakes. Tomatoes were on sale. Got me some canned beans and some tomatoes so I can make like a chili. I've been eating this with crackers or just by itself, or have Madison try it too. Get us some protein. Got some strawberries from Madison. I'm not really feeling fresh strawberries. I just have not been able to find some really good ones, but she likes them. Got these for smoothies for Maddie. Oh my goodness, I should have got 2 bags of these. These were on sale. I'm probably gonna finish this in like 3 days. These were so good. Got these for smoothies, for Buddha bowls, especially like that Texas Buddha bowl I was talking about for Chris. And that is a lot of the vegetables and fruits that we got from Aldi. Y'all get y'all fruits and vegetables from Aldi. They so cheap. And just get what's on sale and just switch it up the next week. And of course I got some red onions. I already had some white onions here, and I like red onions. They give a different flavor, so I got those in a different color as well to your foods. Alright, so some more like pantry items that I got was flour, sugar. I really like to get the dark chocolate, just plain dark chocolate, but I got this one instead because it's all they had. I add this to my bananas and make the banana ice cream. I have a video on that if you all want to see it. I got this for Chris for some macaroni I'm making Sunday. I got me these because I am in love with these crackers with peanut butter. I got some flax seeds because you can make a flax egg, which is a vegan egg, out of flax seeds. You can add it to oatmeal, to cereal, to smoothies as well to give you some more fiber in your diet. Just keep it in your refrigerator. I also got some almond milk for Madison. I want to start seeing if she'll drink it. I don't know if she will, but I'm going to see if she'll go back to drinking this, and also to add it to our oatmeal and our pancakes and like any type of like vegan cheese that I make. Got this to see to to add to my Buddha bowls if I want to. Got these for pancakes and stuff like that. Got this for pancakes and other items, and because I've been using this in place of like olive oil when I can, and it's really good in baked goods. It tastes so good in baked goods. And I got this so I can make some chickpea salads. They're super yummy, y'all. And I got some spaghetti and some hot sauce. Gotta have that. And I've been filling cabbage, like for legit been filling cabbage lately. So I got this as well. So that's all that I bought. I bought some snack items from Madison. But I'm gonna put that in a separate video, like vegan snacks for babies and stuff like that. So that's what we got. So this is what lunch is looking like. It is 11:55. This looks so fresh and healthy, doesn't it? But I just put some rice on there. I have some warm lemon water as well, and this is so freaking random, but I got this from Trader Joe's. I didn't put it in my haul, but I got this from Trader Joe's, and my bestie, we were hanging out at her house eating like Indian food and rice, and she pulled this out, and when I was like, this is so freaking good. I don't know if it was the conversation or the what, but I really liked this. So I'm just gonna see if I'll eat it with my veggies maybe and just relax. I'm just gonna sit here on my computer, maybe get some editing done, or maybe just chill out, take a nap, and edit later because the kids are asleep, Chris is asleep, and this is my time to relax. I think I'm gonna take a nap, drink my lemon water, eat my food, and take a nap, like I said. Yeah, that's that for today. Let me know. So I think that with this tofu, I should have just cooked it separately, but I was trying to save a pan. Sorry, y'all, my lighting. I was trying to save a pan, so it is what it is, but it still tastes good. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, yummy. Taste the asparagus. I didn't put anything on this asparagus, like nothing, no salt, no seasoning, nothing. And I was gonna put some lemon on it, but it's fine. I just have the garlic, some water, and tomatoes. Because there's so much spice and oil in the eggplant and tofu.